Folks, ladies and gentlemen, let us now discuss in this video the different branches of the chemistry. But first, let us now know the learning points. It is to define and differentiate the major branches of chemistry and to illustrate the interconnectedness of chemical disciplines. And now let us define first what is chemistry. Chemistry is a scientific study of matter and its properties as well as how matter changes. This includes its composition, structure, properties, and behavior. It explores the interactions between substances and how these interactions lead to transformations. Essentially, chemistry investigates the fundamental building blocks of the universe and how they interact to create a world around us. And now let us move on to the branches of chemistry. First, we have the organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, physical chemistry, and the biochemistry. Okay, let us now know what is the first branch of science that we're going to talk about. First is the organic chemistry. This branch focuses on the study of carbon-containing compounds and their properties and reactions, because carbon atoms can form long chains and complex structures by bonding with each other. Carbon atoms and various other elements such as hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and others. Organic chemistry encompasses a vast array of molecules. Let us now move on to the second branch of chemistry, the totally opposite of the organic chemistry, which is the inorganic chemistry. In organic chemistry, this field deals with the study of all substances that are not organic, primarily focusing on the compounds that do not contain carbon-hydrogen bonds. This includes a wide range of materials, from simple ionic compounds to complex coordination compounds and organometallic compounds, which have metal carbon bonds but are usually considered inorganic. Next, we have the analytical chemistry. So analytical chemistry is a branch focuses on the identification and separation and quantification of chemical components in a sample. It involves developing and applying methods to determine the composition of a substance, whether it's a sample mixture or a complex biological sample. Next one, we have the physical chemistry. This branch uses the principle of physics to explain and predict the behavior of chemical system. It bridges the gap between the chemistry and physics, focusing on the areas such as thermodynamics, in energy changes and chemical reactions. Next, we have kinetics, reaction rates, quantum mechanics, and behavior of atoms and molecules at the quantum level, and the spectroscopy, interaction of matter and with electromagnetic radiation. And the last branch of chemistry that we're going to talk about is the biochemistry. This interdisciplinary field combines biology and chemistry to study the chemical processes within and relating to living organisms. It explores the structures and functions of biomolecules and proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acid, and how they interact to maintain life. Now let's going to talk about their connections. The branches of chemistry are interconnected, not isolated. Physical chemistry provides a theoretical framework for understanding chemical reactions, which are essential to organic, inorganic, and biochemistry. Analytical chemistry provides the tools to study and quantify chemical substances, regardless of their origin. Biochemistry, fundamentally organic chemistry applied to living systems. So all in all, we have explored the interconnectedness of chemistry's major branches and their importance in tackling global challenges. Whether you're interested in medicine, environmental protection, materials innovation, and food security, chemistry plays a vital role. I encourage you to explore these branches further and consider a career in this exciting and impactful field. The future needs chemists. And this is the video presentation of second year psychology student of COLEGIO Santa Ana de Victorias that talks about, once again, the branches of chemistry. Thank you so much for listening. God bless us all.